Hey everyone, today I will show you how to create gray and bird effect in Snapseed. And here's how it is done. Step 1. Open your image in Snapseed. Open Snapseed and tap Open to select your photo. Choose an image with a bird or the subject you want to keep in color. Step 2. Convert the background to black and white. Tap Tools, Black and White. Choose a preset, example, neutral, dark, or bright. Adjust brightness, contrast, and grain as needed. Tap Check to apply. Step 3. Restore color to the bird. Selective editing. Tap Tools. View Edits, the stack icon. Tap on black and white, then select the brush icon. Erase the effect from the bird by brushing over it. Use zoom for precision. Adjust the opacity if needed for a blended look. Tap Check when done. Step 4. Enhance the details. Tap Tools, Details. Increase structure, +20 to +50 to enhance textures. Boost sharpening, +10 to +30 for clarity. Tap Check to apply. Step 5. Add a vignette for depth. Tap Tools, Vignette. Reduce outer brightness, -30 to -50 to focus on the bird. Adjust inner brightness to highlight the subject. Tap Check to apply. Step 6. Final adjustments and export. Use Tune Image to refine brightness, contrast, and ambience. Tap Export and save your dramatic gray and bird effect image. And that's everything you need to know about how to create gray and bird effect in Snapseed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.